Hey y'all, it's Crystal here, down here in Ringgold. It is a rainy Thursday here, but I'm still out here with my raincoat on, trying to get some videos done today. And I am in a 2021 Transcend for $22.9. This baby is like new. Nice colors in here too, with the dark wood but with the grays. But this right here is one of my favorite features. Love this. Look, you put your shoes or toys, caddy, shoe caddy or whatever you want it to make it. Of course, if Emma was in here, you know, that would be for all the stuffies and all of our Barbie dolls. But I thought it was pretty cool. This one literally just got here, and it was too nice not to come out here and shoot it right quick. Because RV season, camper season is upon us. You can hear the rain. Nice cabinet space and counter space in this one. Sorry, it's a little dark in here. I will have more pictures and stuff on our website. Again, this is a 2021 model. And I'll go outside and take the outside for you. Okay guys, here's the outside 2021 model. Transcend. And it's got my favorite thing out here on these travel trailers. Oh, refrigerator. You can cook. Everything out here. My favorite. Love these. Sorry, trying to hurry. It's raining. But these just came out on the lot, so I already had people walking in it, so I wanted to get this on where everybody could see it. It'll be on the website, parkwoodrvcenter.com too, with pictures. And don't forget to check out YouTube, like and subscribe. We appreciate all your support, everybody. Love to read all the comments. That helps me knowing that I'm actually doing halfway a decent job. And those up yonder smiling down on me. So give us a call, check us out, like and subscribe. Bye.